Hi Rakesh, good morning.
So today I asked it on laptop with my friend, so I will not have any issues with that. Yesterday night I don't know why I'm not able to access that mic.
Yeah, maybe it is company related. Maybe there might be some
Hello.
restrictions. Hi Rakesh, sorry, I was talking in mute actually.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, maybe you are using some company laptop, right? Maybe
Yeah.
it might have some restrictions.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe that was the reason. I think your company, if it is really very much specific about your security, so then this kind of issues will be rise, and this will be create a problem for you.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why I will stop using that.
Yeah, I don't know about your company security, but some MNC companies does not allow these kind of activities,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
right?
Even in this also will not allow, but in Chrome I see incognito. That's why I just used it.
Still,
Yeah.
you are as a DevOps engineer, you must understand that. So there are everything will be trackable.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
servers, everything actually there is a monitoring team. So if it is really that much big company or excuse me, so then definitely everything logs will be stored, right?
Yeah.
By using logs, we can able to find who is using.
Okay.
So user activities will be there. In that user activities also you can find.
Okay.
So if they want to monitor, they can do. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Last class we have seen grep actually.
Yeah.
Right?
Grep. And find also, but
Find also, but find I did not explain to you well because
yeah.
your audio was not proper at the time.
Yeah.
So again, we'll see that again, right?
Okay.
So let me share my screen.
Yeah.
I need to log in my Windows account. So I said in previous class, I also faced this issue
Okay.
that it I, my recorder did not work. Okay. So same, I already checked, but I don't know. It doesn't work properly. So my side voice is not was not recorded, and your side voice was put. Okay. So let's all right. Okay. One second. Is it visible? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So last class I created these files actually. Okay.
Okay.
1 second. Now it's clear. I think. So yeah, this is a purpose. The difference is actually for grep you can able to find a specific word entire your description. Um, Rakesh, I can able to hear echo. Okay, can you please be in mute for a while? I'll ask your response. So maybe
Yeah.
I don't know why it is getting. It's okay, but just keep in mute. I'll ask you your response. Okay. So this actually, I just want to repeat. The grep is for specific word to set entire description or entire book. For example, if you have a book, in that book you can able to find a particular word, okay, that is for grep. Okay, and find in the sense there are a lot more books, bunch of books are there, you are picking a particular book name, okay, or particular book entire book details you will get. So kind of example is that. So for example, yeah, in this case, so I'll go to my console, see this find sorry find, okay, um, hyphen name, okay, Lokesh dot sh, okay. See this particular file, you are looking for a particular file and it is showing. And again, see this, I want to I want to check whether how many empty files are there in my entire um, okay, 1 minute. Find hyphen type, okay, f files empty. Okay, you see, you are finding type is file type. Okay, you are finding empty file type. Okay, just enter. You see this Lokesh 1.sh and Rakesh, these two these two are empty files. I'll tell you why it is empty. Cat Rakesh, see this, it is empty. Cat Lokesh, it is empty. Sorry, it is Lokesh 1.
Lokesh one actually.
Yeah, see this, these two are empty files. So if you want to see empty files, you can able to find like this. Okay, and I want to see particular permissions related to 777 permissions. There are a lot more permissions you might have given to your entire files in your okay, in your project. At the time you just want to see what are the full permissions. Okay, type sorry, find, okay, hyphen type, f means file, okay, hyphen perm, or perm means permissions. Okay, I want to see 777 permissions. You see this Lokesh.sh. Let me check here whether this having full permissions or not. ls hyphen ll, see this, you have full permissions. Clear? Read, write, execution, read, write, execution, read, write, execution. You have full permissions. Okay. This permission related will I will take entire separate class. Okay. So it is showing, right? Whenever you see that particular a file permissions, it is showing only one file is there enter your project. This is lokesh.s. If you see green color, so whenever you give full permissions, this color will be changed. Okay. So these kind of activities we can able to do. Okay. So yep, that's it. I think if you can find using find, you can see a lot more exercises. Just find from Google more exercises, do the practice. So this is the what find. So you can find a particular files. Okay, particular name also. Okay, you seen particular empty files, Lokesh files, right? Permissions related, all these things, right? And if you want to, you can find a particular name also. I want to find a name using find hyphen name. Okay, I want to see the name of the file. Okay, Lokesh, see this. You can also find this whatever word you are searching for using find, you can able to do that, right? So that's it. Okay, so next we'll see about less, I think so. Yeah, less. So less means, so I'll tell you one thing here. What is this? Okay, more. It is not working. Yeah, it's working now. More, less. Okay, more means top of the files. Less means few files. Few. Okay, last lines. Few numbers, few files only means I'm clearly telling. So for example, if you keep um, for example, if you keep last last two lines specifically, if you want to see this, you can see this. Clear? Okay. And more means you will get all the files. Okay. And head means head, if there is a human body structure, head is in top. So whatever the top lines, you can see the top lines. Okay. Next, tail means bottom. Okay, right? TIL. Tail means bottom lines, you can see. So using these commands, you can able to find top of the lines and bottom of the lines. Okay. So I will create some empty files for practice purpose for exercise. Okay, I'll create some cars. Okay, touch Hyundai. Don't focus on spelling. Nexon, um, TVS, Hero. So I think these are all Tiago maybe, or Kia, Ertiga, Maruti. Just keep. I'm keeping randomly names. Okay, and that's it. Enough. Okay. So ls, see this. Just now I created all these things at a time using touch. So these many empty files are there. I have created, right? So using less, my less using less, you need to find some, okay, particular files. Okay. So for example, yeah, less. Sorry. Mm. Oh.
So using less, you open the Tiogo file, right?
Yes, I opened Tiago file, but 1 minute. I need some content. Okay. 1 minute. It is done. 1 minute. Okay. See this? So I put some content in this Tiago file. Okay. Don't focus on matter. Okay. So in Tiago file, so less amount, less lines, last lines. It is actually skipped to starting top lines. Last lines it is showing. Okay. Less amount of data. Okay. Actually, the purpose of less is display the content of a file one screen at a time. Okay. Allowing you to page like this. Okay. So which means it will show you content like this in one display. Okay. So you clear?
Yeah. How can we end? I mean, exit from less.
Yeah. See, actually it is not working with Control X. It is not working with Control C also. Okay. Just you need to press only Q. Q means quit,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
right? And also now I'll show you how to use head. Head. What is the purpose of head? Display the particular lines. If you specify with the number, so that will show you. Clear?
Okay.
Same, but actually using less, actually it will show you content on top of your screen. It will display, it will fit it. Okay. So now I want to see particular file, sorry, particular lines. Okay. Using, for example, I have a content called Tiago. I want to see particular line number 2. Okay. Right. Head, head. What is that? Tiago, right? Tiago. Tiago. Hyphen n means number. I want to see particular line number is 2. A line number is 2. See this? Okay. Let me open cat Tiago. See this?
It shows second para, not line, right? Is it para or line?
Okay. Let me take other example then. Okay.
Yeah. I guess it takes like one para as a one line, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah, yeah. No, no, it's not correct actually.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Okay.
let me open different one. Hero. It is easy to pronounce it. Okay. So I will add.
Give us the list. One, two, three.
I will add some list actually here. Hero. Can you help me to keep something here? Mm,
First one, splendor. One,
Splendor. Splendor.
two, passion.
Okay. Passion.
Three, bike.
bike, scooty,
Or scooty.
right?
Pulsar.
Excel, not, I'm not sure. I think
Mm,
Excel spelling. I
it's
don't know.
just X.
Okay.
X. Yeah.
Okay. Whatever.
Pulsar.
And next,
Yeah. Yeah. Pulsar.
pulsar spelling.
SUR.
P U
Yeah.
L.
Yeah. Fine. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. And
Extreme shine.
okay.
Whatever.
That's it,
Extreme.
right? Enough, enough. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
One more. So some content I kept in this hero. Okay. Might not relevant. It's okay. So I need actually content. That's it. So now, so what I will do is, now I want particular line. Okay. So the same, I want to use the same command with the hero. HEAD. Okay. No such file or directory. Oh, sorry. Hero, right? HERO. Okay, you see, it is showing particular lines. This is Splendor is one line and Passion is one line. Okay. In case if you keep a first line with a different complete para. Okay. Uh, if you keep 10 line or 100 words or 10 words or 50 words in one line, this will show entire. Clear? In this case,
Yeah.
in our case, okay, it is showing two numbers actually. Two lines it is showing. Correct.
Yeah.
It is showing two numbers.
Okay, before I thought like 02 means only it will print the second order one, but now I understand 02 means number of items.
Lines.
Got it. Yeah,
Number of
yeah,
lines.
yeah, got it.
Right.
Yeah,
So
it's clear.
let's for we'll take another example. Okay, better. Okay, I want to use different numbers. Okay, one Splendor, right? Three. Okay,
Yeah, got it.
getting right. And I want to use I think six. I think so. See, one, two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three, four, five, six.
Okay.
Seven, maybe not there or not. Yeah, it is there. Eight. So it is giving from one to eight. Nothing is there actually. It is empty.
That's it's giving space.
Yes, that's why it is showing some space. Correct. So I think you clearly understood, but just focus on it while you are doing practice. You can understand.
Okay.
But these comments are important because in Windows you will find control, F, right? That is easy for us to find it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But actually in Linux it will confuse you. Okay, lot more files will be there, lot more file inside the file, like nested files will be there. So if you want to search it, you have to use grep and find. Okay, so you
Yeah,
must
yeah.
practice how to find the files. Okay, searching
Yeah.
files little tricky, it is little it will create some confusion, but if
Yeah,
you do the
like
practice it will get it.
if we have doubt with the layout, then we use tree, and then we can like let's have
Yeah,
idea
you
on
can
the.
find you can find the structure, that's okay.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
if you
got
have
it.
hundreds of files, thousands of files, the tree
Okay,
does not will allow you in one screen.
okay, okay.
It will allow you, but it will not see. It will not fit into one screen.
Yeah, it will not clear. Like
Yeah, it
it's
will
not
not
that.
clear. You have to scroll it up and down. Okay.
Okay, okay, got it.
Anyways, and next tail in the sense bottom, right? So bottom of the lines.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to use tail for the same. Tail
Okay.
hero number is two, which means last number two it will show. I think so. Can I use last number two?
Yeah.
Chain. So I
Yeah.
want to use
Before I
cat
thought that.
hero. One second.
Like.
I'll show you.
Hmm.
See this? This is
Yeah, yeah,
actually eighth one. This is eighth one. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight.
yeah,
It count eight. Okay. So it
yeah.
is telling that last number two is one is actually this one empty. The last second one is Shane.
Chain.
Don't
Yeah.
confuse because it is taking, because I took space. Okay. VI hero. You see? I mentioned actually some space, my cursor. You see
Yeah,
this?
yeah,
It
yeah.
consider it as one, I think,
There
content.
is some matter in it. Yeah,
Yeah. So now I'm going to save this simply. Again, I'll try to use the same command. Okay. Let me use tail tail hero hyphen and same command I'm using. Okay. See this. You got chain now. Oh, it took first again empty. This one. Let me open again. Still it is there.
I think just give the like the symbol, then it will not.
Okay. Tilt symbol you are saying.
Yeah,
Okay. Let me add this. Still it is giving some kind of press. Okay, let me keep, no problem. Anyways, that's fine. We should not stuck here. Okay, so I will use maybe three. Last three lines. This is
yeah,
first line, second line, third line.
yeah.
Okay, and instead of that, I'll keep something here. So why it is getting sound means high. I'll keep high. Okay, so then I'll save. Now it should be fine. Okay, so now I'll use this. See this high
Yeah,
shade pulsar. Last three lines.
yeah,
Okay, so tail, for example, seven lines. You see, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. It is counting from the bottom to top.
yeah, yeah.
So last tail means from tail it will start. Tail in the sense bottom
Okay.
line it will count as a one,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So yeah, I think that's fine. You clear, right?
yeah.
Next, sort command. What is the purpose of sort in general?
Basically, to sort something from many list or many words.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
in general, for example, apple is there.
yeah. To filter basically.
Okay. Example, Jira. Okay. Jam. Okay. Banana. Okay. So for example, if you take these lines, it will whenever you do sort, it will make it as a line. Okay. Apple, banana, Jira, jam, and Zira. This is actually sort.
Okay.
So whatever unaligned, okay, zigzag, okay, in ordered content, make it as ordered. Okay, that's
Okay.
sort. It will make it sort. Okay, so I think let me see the example. So sort command is used to sort lines for text files in alphabetical or numerical order. For example, we'll see some. I'll try to create a file. So I'll create a file. A example sort. Okay, so this is my file. I want to keep line. Okay, it's okay. Jam. Okay, so I kept some content in this. Okay, let me save. Okay, you see the content here. You see here, the content is like this. Okay, so
Okay.
now I will try to apply sort command. Okay, so just sort. Sorry, sort. What is a file name example
Example.
sort, right? See this? Actually,
Yeah.
the file
Yeah.
was like this in ordered way: Z Y A X Y A B C D F, like this. Okay. Once after applying the sort, it look like aligned. Okay, in ordered. Okay, A B C D F X Y Z, like this, alphabetical order. Clear?
Yeah. Can we order, like, can we sort in descending also?
Sorry.
It's sorted like ascending, right? Can we make it descending? Like first Z, letter Y, Y, X.
No, no, no. Only one way. So
Okay.
this is like alphabetical order. It will show,
Okay, got it.
and also it is not save. Just it readable content that will show you. Just it will show you in alphabetical order, but it will not save. For example, if I use cat, what is that example?
Okay, it
The
will show the
content is
actual
same
content.
as usual. Just for readable purpose, for make it order. For
Okay.
sort it will sort it and it will show you in alphabetical order. That's it. It will not save.
Okay.
Clear? So that's it. And so what is the time now? So how much time you can able to spend with me right now?
Up to 9:15, I can.
Till 9:15.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay. Next. Okay. So user creation, group creation. Okay, let's do. Okay. So I will tell you one thing. In your company, for example, in your project, X project is there. Okay. In X project, one admin will be there. He is actually main person, so he can able to add new people. So Rakesh joined as a new new employee. Okay, so in X project, so he will not give, admin will not allow Rakesh entire access. He will not allow you entire privileges. Okay, so in that case, what admin will do is, so he will find your roles and responsibilities. He will give you particular permissions. Okay, so to do this, first of all, he need to add him into his category in his project. Okay, if he want to do this, he need to add him, add you as a admin, user. Clear? So if in the project itself, he want to add you as a user. Okay, for that we have a command called user add. I'm telling you here actually, what how we have to see the users. We have seen last time, last class, cd sorry cat etc pass wd. If you go here, you will see all the users. I said already, we discussed, right? So currently these many users are there in my system. Can you see here? EC2 user which is created and default you got with the Linux, right? And also you see root, this root also system created user. Okay, remaining system related users, system, these are all configuration, but in general we are actually using EC2 instance, sorry, EC2 user and root user. These two users we are actually using. Okay, so remaining all configuration related users, don't touch it. Okay, so currently we are using this EC2 user, default user. Can you see? This is default user. So whenever you log in, you will get this user. System does not allow you directly with a root user. If you have a particular permissions, if you need particular privileges, or if you need to install a software without asking any user permissions, You can go directly using root. Root will allow you entire privileges. Okay. For that purpose, root. But initially, you will get access with the only EC2 user. If it is Linux, you will get EC2 hyphen user. This is actually username. In Ubuntu, you will get Ubuntu user. Clear? So now we'll see how how can how we have to create user. Okay. Again, I'm going to show you here what is the purpose of user creation. The user add command is used to create new user in Linux. Okay. So this is a command. User add. Where is that? Here. User. Okay. Add Rakesh. Sorry. Space I got. See this? What is the command? Cat etc pass wd. Can you see here? Rakesh is as a user.
Yeah.
So now I want to add another user, Lokesh. Okay. Um, add, sorry, user, add. So you also can use this. Add user Lokesh. I'll also open this. Can you see? Any doubt?
Yes, yes. No, no.
Right?
Like
So you,
once I start practicing, I will get doubts, I guess. Now
yeah, fine, fine,
it
no
looks
problem.
clear. Yeah, yeah.
You see this command, you just keep in mind, you will get question
Yes.
on top of this. Okay. So
Okay,
if you
okay.
want to see entire all users in your system, what is a command? Okay, this is a command.
Okay.
etc, sorry, see, cat etc, cat
Cat
is
it is
readable file.
yeah,
Cat
yeah,
is for
cat is
reading the content.
yeah.
Cat you are using for reading the content, and the path is etc. It is in the etc directory, right? So
Yeah.
user password is actually pass wd. It is not password. Pass wd is for command.
It's command. It's
That is a
command to
command
look
actually.
all the users.
Yes, all the users. If you want to see in cat file, okay, you can also see using vi, but it is you can't able to read edit this, so that does not allow. Let us
No.
try with exercise.
No.
You see, you see,
Yeah.
but you should I should not recommend this. If any changes will happen, the configuration issues will get clear. You can
Okay.
able to read it.
Okay.
Okay. So you are, for example, if I try to remove, I will make it as Vasu WQ. Okay, let me again open. See this, it has changed.
Okay.
Unexpectedly, if you do something like this with the bug, unnecessary useless content,
Okay.
so that will be added with the vi editor. That is too danger. That's why I'm showing you for reading purpose. I'm just using cat. Clear?
Yeah.
So that's it. Next, group creation. What is group? I'll tell you here. The meaning itself. Group means particular list of the people, particular, uh, 1 second. Yeah. So actually users are there. Users are Lokesh, Rakesh, Vasu, EC2 hyphen user, and root. These many users are having with me. So these users are there with me. So these particular group of people, okay, these particular group of people, or else. So I want to make Lokesh, Rakesh, Vasu is particular related to one group. Okay, these are all related to one team. Okay, and EC2 root are related to one team. So I want to make a group. These people are related to DevOps group. Okay, and these people are related to some config team, system related team. So now, whenever I keep some particular people, make them as a group, there comes under group. Okay, so now Lokesh, Rakesh, I'm just throwing them into this DevOps group, and easy to route these people are, I'm just throwing them into config group. This is a one now config is a one group. Okay, now DevOps is one group. In this DevOps, Lokesh, Rakesh and Vasu belonging to this DevOps group. Clear?
Yeah.
So so it will be useful. Okay, so
No.
whenever actually these groups will be useful for owner and user permissions. So I'll tell
Okay.
you in future you will see that. Just to you now only just try to learn how to create it. Okay,
Okay.
permission we'll see that later. Okay, simple, nothing else, the command is same. So sudo is, if you are in a some easy to user, you need to use sudo, else you don't need. Okay,
Okay.
group add DevOps. Earlier we have used user add different name. Okay. Now just simple group add. Earlier user add. Okay. Group add DevOps. Okay. Now and see this. Now earlier we have used cat etc pass wd. Pass wd means for see the users. Now group group. So now you see this. DevOps is one group and default groups I'll let you know. So this is actually just now created. Okay, DevOps group. And Rakesh, Lokesh, Lokesh and Rakesh easy to user and also root. It will be somewhere. Okay. So whenever you create a user, okay, so he will get a group permissions, privileges. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so you actually specifically created a group here, and whatever whenever you create a Rakesh also, so itself actually created one group for itself. So that is default. Okay, and you see numbers 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003. Group number also it is showing. It is giving, it is assigning a numbers to the group. Okay, clear? Any doubts?
No. I was clear.
Okay. So these groups will be useful in future. You might be work with the DevOps team, Linux team, Java team, and like development team, testing team. Okay. So in that case, you must need to understand this. What are the groups? So you might have in your company might have DevOps group or AWS group, Linux group. Okay. So dev group, test group. Okay, in that case if you want to add them into particular group, so how you need to add, you need to first create a user and you need to create a group. Okay, so if already existed, you just need to assign them into group, you need to assign them into a particular group. Okay, all this. Okay, so is it enough or shall we continue? So if we start with new content again, it will take too much time.
Yeah. Yeah. Like.
So next topic would be related to permissions.
Yeah. We can discuss in the evening if you are free.
Okay.
Yeah.
So some commands are there actually, and not before permissions. Actually, we'll go with some links are there. Soft link and hard link will be there.
Okay.
That is pending.
One
And
second on.
yeah,